Okay, to top up the coolant, we need to, first of all, we need to take off this panel. So there is a screw here, and then a push stud thing here and a push stud thing here. So first thing is get the cover off. So there's just one screw. One screw, and then two poppers. Okay, to be able to fill up, we need to take this bolt out so that we can remove the guard. So just single bolt, and the guard cover comes off. Okay, so once we've got the guard off, I guess, unscrew the filler cap. So what we want to do is keep an eye on the fill level. Going up, it's not above the full yet, so we'll keep topping it up. That is crap. Okay, so that is above the full line. So I am going to have to drain some out. Idiot. Okay. So what I'll do for now is just put everything, I'll just put everything back. So filler cap back on. And fit the, oops, can you see what I'm doing? I shall fit the guard back on. Tighten that up. Okay, that's tight. So we've got the push studs back in. So now just to put that screw back in. And there we go, coolant level topped up. Job done.